Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a light rays like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new shape layer. Then I'll go to tools, rectangle tool and OK. Now I'll go to mask and I'll add a mask. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal noise, drag and drop or double click. Again, I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC light rays. Okay, now I'll go to transfer mode and I'll change it to none and see. Okay, now I'll go to radius. Okay, and I'll increase it like this. And I'll go to warp softness and decrease it. Yeah, and that's all. So now let me go here. Let me change this to none. It's very important. Change mask to none. Okay, now I'll go here. I'll go to evolution, keyframe, go to last frame, and I'll type 7 and see. Also, I'll go to first frame and I'll go to center, keyframe, go to last frame, and I can move it like this. And see. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.